I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva to make a resume. First, navigate to Canva's homepage and use the search bar to find Resume Templates. You'll discover thousands of options, so take your time to browse. Pick a template that resonates with your personal brand and the industry you're targeting. Remember, a well-chosen template provides a strong foundation for your professional document. Now it's time to personalize your chosen template. Click on any text box to edit it, replacing the sample content with your unique details. Ensure your contact information is accurate and easy to find. Update your work history, educational background, and key skills. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and color palettes to make your resume truly yours, but keep it professional. To make your resume stand out, consider adding subtle visual elements. Canva offers a vast library of icons that can highlight your skills or contact details. If you choose to include a headshot, make sure it's professional and high quality. Pay close attention to formatting. Use the alignment guides to keep everything neat. Consistent spacing and font sizes across all sections create a polished and professional appearance. Before you finalize, meticulously proofread your resume. Check for any grammatical errors, typos, or inconsistencies. A flawless document reflects attention to detail. Once satisfied, download your resume. The PDF format is highly recommended for its universal compatibility and professional presentation. You're now ready to confidently share your impressive, custom-made resume with prospective employers and take the next step in your career journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.